Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello, fellow anglers. In this video, I will explain how to do Kraken pool in Fish. To begin, you will want to understand the event's mechanics. Make sure you have your top-tier fishing rod and plenty of special bait. Head over to the designated Kraken pool area on the map, which is usually marked clearly. This preparation is key for a successful and rewarding experience in the game. Once you are in the Kraken pool area, start fishing as usual. Instead of ordinary fish, you will be reeling in unique Kraken parts. Focus on collecting a good number of each distinct part needed for the summoning. Each part you gather brings you closer to the main event. This step is crucial for progressing in the Kraken pool challenge. After collecting enough parts, proceed to the summoning altar and deposit them. Once the community contributes a sufficient amount, the colossal Kraken will emerge. Now, it is time to battle. Collaborate with other players, casting your lines to inflict damage. Equip your strongest fishing rod to maximize your contribution and help defeat the beast quickly. Upon the Kraken's defeat, you will earn fantastic rewards, directly proportional to your contribution. Expect to receive a generous amount of in-game coins, valuable experience points, and potentially some very rare items. Remember, the Kraken pool event resets regularly, offering new opportunities. Keep participating to gather more exclusive gear and enhance your fishing adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.